Usually, the last thing you want to do before you go and start shooting your music video is some sort of a storyboard or shot list. Now, those don't have to be as detailed as they, for example, would be in a film, but at least if you have some kind of idea, of the types of shots or how many shots you have to get, then just write it down, just so you have something that you can easily check it off. Especially since in music videos you can shoot a lot of the footage wild and then just sort of play around with it in editing and see how it all fits together, which is great because it just allows you to be a lot more creative, right there on set. Unless you're doing a music video with a lot of special effects, then you want to make sure that at least the effect shots are all storyboarded and numbered so that later on it's just easier to keep track of. Another good thing to have is a list of all your props, maybe all your costumes, and also all your locations and the addresses, along with all the contact information for your cast and crew. This way, on the morning of the day of the shoot, you're not running around panicking, just worried, about whether you have all the props with you. Same thing if somebody, for example, doesn't show up on time. You have their phone number right there. You call them up, and you make sure that they wake up in case they slept in, and you'd be surprised, but it actually happens sometimes on music videos. The last thing you want to prep for your music video is the music. So when you want to figure out what is it that you're going to play off of, maybe it's an iPad, and if so, then what are you going to plug it to, that kind of stuff. But one thing that I always do is to add these very distinctive beeps before the song starts, so that later on in editing it just makes your life a lot easier when you have to sync up all the performance shots to the music.
Okay, so first we'll start Adobe Premiere. And choose my directory where I want to save it. For the sequence settings, at this point you don't have to worry about it because you're just working with audio, so it doesn't matter. Click OK, and then we'll just import the audio. So here it is. We'll use the Dahlia Tomorrow Tonight song as an example. You can put it in here. And another thing we'll do is just something that creates a very distinctive sound. So in Premiere you can just go here to File, New, Bar and Tone, and just drag and drop it here. And all of this creates these color bars and the beep tone that is used in television to like calibrate TVs and stuff. So I won't torture you with that for too long because it's very annoying to listen to. But basically what we want to do is this. Just like for 2 frames literally, 1, 2, we want to have that tone. Then again, and basically I do it every second, but you can do it however you decide. So then at 1 second here exactly, we'll just drag this over. We'll again do it for 2 frames. And then another second again. So it'll be 2 seconds. Again, 1, 2 frames. And then the last one will be here, 3 seconds. We'll do a bit longer one. And this one, let's say we'll do it 4 frames. Okay. And delete the rest. And this one also, just so that, because right now we play it, this is how it sounds. Maybe I'll make it even longer just so it's really distinctive, that one, last one. And so, this last one also, I made it longer, but also I'm going to apply a filter, audio filter effect here, which will just simply, changes the pitch of it. So, pitch shifter, drag it, and then go to effects control up here. And just you can put something, let's say cartoon mouse. It's gonna make it higher pitch than the rest of it. So we'll play it back again. So you have a very distinctive sound, peeps. And then now we're gonna take the song and we'll start it exactly at 4 seconds. So go to 4 seconds, snap it here, and that's it. You can save your project. And now when you play it back, it's going to sound something like this. then the song starts. So yeah, then you're gonna have the song start, and then now you just export it. So make sure you have your sequence selected here. Maybe we'll name it here. Where's the option? Rename. Just call it audio beep tone. Save it. And again, select the sequence here. Go File, Export Media, or Control M, and we'll export it to let's say MP3. Choose your settings. Let's say high quality, and just put in my audio folder here so everything's nice and organized. And that's it. Go export. Okay, and then take the final thing. You can go to the project. For folder, and you have your MP3 here with your beeps. Play it again, and that's how it sounds. And then you basically take this audio and put it on your iPod MP3 player or whatever it is that you're gonna use for playback when you're recording your music video. This is how it sounds basically when you're recording it, on location.
Playback.
So that's it.